Have a good day to everyone. Magandang araw sa lahat. For today's video is all about basic and simple English Tagalog translation. English, abstain, abstract, abundance, abuse, abusive, abyas, academy. Tagalog, umorong, isang report, kasaganaan, abuso, ng aabuso, kalaliman, akademya. English, abstain, abstain, abstain. Tagalog, umorong, umorong, umorong. Abstract, abstract, abstract. Isang report, isang report, isang report. Abundance, abundance, abundance. Kasaganaan, kasaganaan, kasaganaan. Abuse, abuse, abuse. Abuso, abuso, abuso. Abusive, abusive, abusive. Nag-aabuso, nag-aabuso, nag-aabuso. Abyas, abyas, abyas. Kalaliman, kalaliman, kalaliman. Academy, academy, academy. Academia, academia, academia. This is our video for today. Thank you for watching.